Hey guys, so I'm calling it a night. I'll take my hair down. I'm calling it a night. I didn't accomplish anything that I wanted to for the weekend. Oh goodness. I did get to have a really nice lunch with my sisters today. We ate at a Mexican restaurant and the waiter was kind of rude, so oh, that looks terrible. My daughter didn't realize how thin my hair was getting until she ran her hands through it. And she's like, oh, Mom, I said, I've tried to tell you, it doesn't look as thin as it is, but it is very thin. I'm going to be one of those ladies that has to wear a wig. I said, give it about 10 more years. That'll happen. Oh, well, I'm just really foggy. Let me check my lens. Well, that didn't help much at all, did it? It's not clear. I'm not clear. Yeah, but anyway, I've got a pile of clean clothes over here that I've got to hang up and put away. That I'm putting off probably another day because I'm just tired, guys. But, as you know, I was going to pick another winner this weekend, and I wanted to make sure at least keep that promise to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do the random comment picker, and then I'm going to flash up who won up here. And if you would, yeah, just go ahead and contact me at young40mom@gmail.com. If you do the drop-down menu for the description, it has my email address. Put in the subject line winner, and I will get your prize out to you because they are custom-made stitch markers. Great. Hang on. Just protecting me, but anyway, so custom made I gotta check out my clip. Custom made stitch markers. Just let it all down. People pay good money to have their hair done like that, so I'm told anyway. Custom made stitch markers, and then I will ship that to you, but I need your address, so let's go ahead and pick a winner. Alright, well, congratulations, Sue. Blue, teal, or lavender. Yeah, I can make that work, and I will get those custom made to you. I'm not going to start making them until I get a confirmation address from you, because I started making the ones for the last person that I drew, and I never heard from them. My small giveaways like this are going to be open worldwide, and I will let you guys know straight up that it's going to be open worldwide. If it is in any of the giveaways. So right now we've got the Philadelphia Cream Cheese Cookbook that has hundreds of recipes in it. That's really, really cool. Never even got to use it before I changed my eating habits. And then I've got the cross stitch giveaway going on, and then tomorrow night I'm going to post the crochet knit giveaway. I have some really good ideas going on for that. Also to the 9/11 giveaway, I need to do that. And I think I'm just going to do them all at once. So, for the 9/11 giveaway, I will just straight up tell you, you have a choice of whether you want, I'm going to give away some red, white, and blue yarn. Probably about 4 to 6 skeins of that. And I also have it's either a 2000 or 2001. I'm thinking it's a really big cross-stitch kit. And whoever wins will get to choose whether they want the yarn, the patriotic yarn, or they want the patriotic cross-stitch kit. So, yeah. More on that when I do the drawing for the winner of the giveaway. That's going to be actually, I think the first is in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, I will go ahead and do the drawings for all the giveaways. But tomorrow night on the 20th, I will go ahead and give you guys, or actually, I think it's the 20th now because it's after midnight. On the 20th, I'm going to go ahead and do the cross stitch knit giveaway and show you guys what that is. So that'll be the four giveaways for the month so far. And then I will show you what I'm working on. I've started a new Sleepy Time doll for my daughter's friend. He wanted one in the colors of black, white, and pink. And he wanted me to pick the skin tone, so I just, I just got a notification from my TikTok. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in following me on any other social media, it'll be down below. But yeah, Sue, just email me. Make sure you put winner in the subject line, WINNER, to young40mom@gmail.com. And give me your address, and I will get those stitch markers made for you. I will get them out within a couple days from the time that you email me. So yeah, so congratulations, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace out.